So if you have a Linux box, it will be good if you are able to access this box using the HTTP or any browser. So for that, what is the shell? What is the command? We'll check. Go to app cache, search shell in. See, there's a command called as shell in a box. We'll just install this. Before that, if we take netstat, you can see the port number 4200. Actually, it's not listening. Install. Install. Give permission. You should know the interface also for this. And the management interface. This is the management interface, which this you have to connect it. Step. This is the interface. Sorry, port number. It's a TCP protocol, and it's listening on this. Now we try to open Chrome. TPS slash 192.168.0.61 colon 4200. So now you can see here this ENP03. This IP only I am giving that. Now we'll check whether TCP is getting established. Advanced, proceed to unsafe. So once you give this, it started establishing connection. You can log into like a normal Linux machine. So all the things you can check. You can open one more also. See this. It's established, so you can use it from anywhere. So this is how this is the easy utility which you can use for instead of using these terminals. You can parallelly open many sessions and you can just work like this. You can try this. It is an easy command. Thank you.